Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. How you doing, guys? So, in today's episode I shouldn't smile actually. This is a no fix. And I would like to tell you the story about the no fix. Because this is odd one and I don't have more time to investigate it. Plus I'm planning a holiday, so in over 2 weeks time. So I need to go out of all jobs, you know, so that customers won't be chasing me when I'm on holiday. Excuse-moi. Sorry for that one. So okay, so here came for the HDMI port replacement. But because the port was in such bad shape, we couldn't turn it on. You know, we would have to remove the port first and then turn it on. Now, the problem was that when we took out that port and we tried to power it on, what have happened was that the power on wasn't there. Now we took the standby voltages and we checked them, and 1.1 and 1.8 power rails weren't present. The rest was fine, yes? Now, chips which I bought at Moser were called NCP, so November Charlie Papa 186. Both of them were responsible for those two power rails. So 3.3 volts was coming to these chips, and then 1.1 and 1.8 didn't go out. And I know because I've checked with other Xbox Series X, they always have over there 1.1 and 1.8. So my new, like half a year old hot air station failed, looking like heating element. I'm already speaking with my supplier, and plus the solder, which I bought a new one, was pathetic, you know, like literally. Don't buy this solder, by the way. Don't. This is good for roof fixing or something, but metal, all those copper pipes, soldering, but don't buy it for micro soldering or soldering in general. So what it is that I had problem with fitting those simple chips. These are like MOSFET type of chips. They are not super complex, yes, so you can't go wrong with them because they are too simple. Then I found out that there was a problem with the solder. Then again, when I managed to do it, I gave it to my friend who's doing micro soldering here, and he said, "What the solder you had over there?" I said, "Yeah, exactly, tell me about it." So he done it again. He used another two new chips from Moser and the same stuff. 3.3 comes in, 1.1 and 1.8 not present. So I had a second module, because you've got those two main boards, yes, bottom where the APU is and the top one where all the stuff is going on. So I took that one and I've replaced with a second one, completely different and known good top board, and it turns out that it was still the same thing. When everything is connected, 1.1 and 1.8 volts are not present. So now the question is, are these main boards sort of married to each other and that's causing the issue? Because on that time I couldn't do the opposite on the second board because that one was away. So I couldn't, and then I haven't done it, and I've got regrets now, but I don't have any other to do. I had 3 Xboxes, now I have none, apart from this one, yes? This one. And I'm deemed no fix at the moment because I don't know. So if anybody knows more than I do, because I can't find more information about it, please let me know. I'm really scratching my head at the moment with this problem, and I already said to the customer that I will record a video if somebody would ever work on it. It's a ticket 49207-2023, and if you would work ever on it, you can ask customer for the ticket from Book Repair Online, and customer will be able to put you that number on. You'll know then that was the case. Plus I had to use my apprentice's hot air station, which is air, like a fan rather than pump. The airflow is blowing off me components, and I had to then put back these components. It was like mad, yes, but I've done it. I've done it eventually, yes. Sorry if it was too much noise. I'm really sorry. I'll just put it away. It will not happen again. So yes, so I don't know what else I could do, to be true. There's no short on main power rail. There's no short on the standby section, and there's no short on the 12-volt main power rail. So as there's no short, I'm thinking what else I can do. I could voltage inject, but if nothing is getting hot, I went to the same point. So what else I could do? Voltage inject doesn't work. You see missing voltages. What, burned south bridge? Like a blind guess? It would make sort of sense because you don't have standby voltage 1.1 and 1.8, but it's my blind guess, and I don't like to guess things because then I'm wasting my time, customers' time, and with over 100 jobs here, it's quite challenging for me to go out of them. You know, it's like move on to the next one and move on to the next one, because I train people. I've got 6 new apprentices and I can't find time on everything. So I need to record some videos as well so that they can learn, yes, even unlisted. But I need to do it, because if I won't do it, they won't learn on time, and I can't do what I'm planning to do, yes. So I've spent max time on it. I know there's no shorts. I know that everything is okay apart from 1.8 and 1.1 volts. What else can be faulty? I don't know. Yes, but the next time I will see such fault, I won't go and buy those chips because I have those chips. And second foremost, I won't be blaming these chips. I will try to find one Xbox faulty, fix it, and have it always for spares, for tests. So then when I will see some fault, I will be able to swap mainboards, for instance, and compare the result. Unfortunately, this time it's a no fix. So guys, if you have any idea how to approach this problem, again, it would be really appreciated if you would share your knowledge with me, because I'm really scratching my head at the moment. And I'm really curious what's going on, and I can't spend more time on it, guys. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and sorry that that's all I know about it. If somebody will give a good answer to it, please let me know. I might let the customer know that there is one more solution we can test, and I'm happy to help this customer. Yes, I won't charge even extra for testing this and for finding the fault. I will be just happy to even test it for free. But that's it in this episode, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and if possible, let's fix them all. Bye.